Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mobile video on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the video section next to the presentation button and click to the second option, the mobile video. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures, videos or audio files to your video, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find the images or videos from your device. If you go to the elements section, you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, photos, charts, frames and more. In the design section you can find different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to edit the style of the template, just go to the template style icon and in the design section and click that. You can edit this video if you go to the edit video section next to the square icon, and you can add filters, or in the adjust section you can edit the brightness, light, vibrance, texture and more. And if you want to edit the form of the video, go to the crop of the or the flip section next to the playback button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.